Hi everyone and welcome to another video. I am Kami Crochet and today we're going to do another one of the challenge videos where I'm going to be crocheting one thing over and over until the end of the day. As of now it's 8:50 a.m. and I decided I'm going to be crocheting these kitties. This is No So Sad Kitty from Yarn Society on YouTube. I am going to link the tutorial in the description of this video. I really want to go over my stash and reduce it as much as I can, so this is going to be great. So I decided to make this brown kitty as the first one. I have never made anything like this before, so this will be very fun. And yeah, I'll just get to it. I am 3 rows in and this is what it's looking like. So I finished the round 4 and now I am supposed to be crocheting the ears. So I marked the stitches that the pattern and the tutorial is calling for. And is it just me or that's off center? Like these are supposed to be the little like cheeks of the cat and the ears should be here, but it's like one is higher. I don't know. I'm just gonna trust the process because I actually frogged it and crocheted it all over again because I thought I miscounted my stitches and I couldn't see something because it's chenille. But I don't know. I'm just hoping for the best, but they do look uneven to me. There is one little ear with piercings on both sides, kind of cute. Oh, I actually managed to mess it up again because I was supposed to chain 2 and I only chained 1. We are not off for a good start, that's for sure. And the ears are done. I don't know, it still looks a little bit off center to me. Just finished the little feet. I found a little bit of chenille black scraps, so I am going to use it to embroider the face, or at least the nose of the cat, which honestly it's perfect. I put the safety eyes in and yeah, I don't like the position of the ears at all. So this guy is going to stay like this, but for every next cat I'm going to crochet, I'm just going to place one ear a little bit higher, 1-2 stitches. I think this ear is actually at the perfect spot, so this one will stay, this one will move a little bit higher, and we'll be fine. Just finished round 13 of the pattern and I decided to stuff the cats with my scrap yarn, and I have a whole bag over here. It will be actually fun to see by the end of today how much of the scrap yarn will I be able to use. I hope we'll make a good dent at least. Our first sad kitty is officially complete and I can't get over the crooked ear, but I think it turned out pretty cute. I really like this pattern. It's very easy and quick to make. Saying that, it actually took me like 2 hours to go through all of that. Yeah, I don't know why, but I guess I was very slow. Hopefully all the next cats will take less time, but yeah, I'm just going to go straight into making another one. Just finished my second cat and it's currently 11 a.m. so I think this one took significantly less time than the previous one. I decided to do it in all white and I don't hate it, I don't love it. I made the nose pink. So that's like the only difference from the previous one. And I did put one of the ears a little bit closer to the other, like I said I would, and no regrets there. I think it looks great. So I will add it to the basket and hopefully we can double it, triple it, quadruple the number. We'll see, we'll see. And this is the stuffing that is left. I just finished the third cat and I love him so much, and I decided to take out all my scraps for stuffing and to cut them into smaller pieces just so that stuffing the cats will be a little bit easier. So I'm gonna take a little break and take care of that before I crochet another cat. I chopped the stuffing, so I have like half a bag left, so that could be enough for 2 cats, maybe just for 1.5. But that's fine because I have a lot of polyfill as well. It started raining, so it also got very dark. And I thought of making a pink cat now, so that's what I'm gonna do. The cat number 4 is finished, and I did time myself this time. So this cat took me like 46 minutes, but I wasn't trying to be fast. I was just kind of crocheting normally, but at some point my hands started hurting. So I was definitely slower than normal. So I think it's possible to finish one cat in like 40 minutes, which is pretty good. So I'm going to add it to the pile, and let's see how many more we can make. There are 5 cats in the basket. Well, one of them is outside, but I made a jumbo cat. I used my thickest chenille that I have. Well, technically it's faux fur, but you get the idea. This is the Alizé Softy Mega, and I made this big guy. Very happy with how he turned out, and I also used up all my scrap yarn, so that's honestly amazing and probably the best part of making this video. For the next cat, I decided to use this pastel-y pink blue yarn, and I'm debating if I want to single-stranded or double-stranded, but I'll just most likely double-stranded so we get the same kind of size as this pink kitty. And it's going slower than I anticipated. It's almost 3:30, so we have a few hours left to make more cats for this challenge because I actually woke up around 4 a.m. so I will be going to sleep soon. I mean, not that soon, but you get the idea. Anyway, I'll just get back to work. It's 4:20, it's almost dark as night outside, and I finished the 6th cat. My desk is an absolute mess right now. I don't know if I'm gonna make another one, to be honest with you guys, because for whatever reason, my wrists and hands in general very rarely hurt me while I crochet, but today my hands are just killing me. And I don't know if it's because it's amigurumi and the tension has to be tighter and I'm doing it subconsciously. I might film one more update today, I might not, we'll see. I'm going to now try to edit this video for you, and maybe I'll just make one more cat like in between editing. In either way, I will see you soon, tomorrow. Yeah. It's the next day, and I did manage to crochet one more of the brown cats before I went to bed, so we finished with 7 cats total, and it's so dark I'm using my phone as a flashlight, so I hope you can see them well. If you're interested to know which yarns I used and what colors, you can head over to my Revelry page. I'm going to link it in the description of this video. I would love you to tell me which one is your favorite. For me, it's probably the biggest one. I weighted my yarn and I do have enough to make one more of these, so I most likely will right after this video. So stay tuned and you can check it out in the next vlog, but as of now, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.